Welcome back, guys. This week we're going to be putting in some marbles. I purchased off of eBay, the 25 some pencils that I've already broke, so you don't have to watch me do that. Put the marbles in first. We'll keep one to one side. This is standard marbles. These are going to be noisy, I reckon. Tumbling around in there. 2 scoops of 80 grit. That one done. Now the pencils. They're just some random pencils. Some have got edges on, some haven't. Some are just round. Not sure what happened to these. Round them off, dye them maybe. We'll see. 2 scoops of 80 grit. Cheers, guys. I'll see you in 7 days. Welcome back, guys. Here we are 7 days later. That's the marbles. They were noisy, really noisy. Hopefully they've shrunk in size. Dusty. Yeah, looks like they have. Give it a wipe off. A lot smaller. It's not so shiny. Yeah, they were noisy. Yeah, they were the same. They shrunk a lot. More than I thought there's gonna. You can see. Yeah, they shrunk a lot. They done well. Stop doing marbles again, they're too noisy. Right, now for the pencils. Can't see the colouring anymore. They're all that colour, they're all just covered in grit dust. I forgot to wipe it off. You probably could wipe it off, but look at the ends. That was a square one, I think. You can kind of see the lines. Put out some more. Yeah, they're all covered. That's a round one. Try and wipe some of this grit off, see if the colour will come through. Or if the grit actually took all the colour off. I think the grit took all the colour off. They all just look like wood. Like wood colour. Rounded off the ends though. So I did put some new ones in there. Don't think you'll be able to tell the difference. No. Too rounded. Smooth them off nicely. Yeah, took all the colour off them. See, that one was orange. You can see the lead. See? So it was orange. Took all the coating off. I didn't think it'd take the coating off, but yeah, there we go, guys. Oh, my hands are really dirty again. Hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to check out next week's video. I hope you stay safe. Make sure you like and subscribe, and please comment what you'd like to see in. I just like putting in random things to see what happens to them. Cheers.